welcome to my channel, Uses of Vitamin E Capsule. Today, I'll be showing you ways how to use Vitamin E Capsule. This is how I use Vitamin E Capsule in my daily routine. Vitamin E has a lot of benefits for your hair and skin. You can use any brand of Vitamin E capsules that is available with you. Vitamin E as a lip mask. Take 1 or 2 drops of vitamin E oil on your finger and apply it on your lips before going to bed. Massage your lips for a minute and then leave it overnight. You can also mix it with your regular lip balm and use it. Vitamin E boosts circulation and may help generate new skin cells, making your lips softer. It works as a moisturizer and can help soften dry lips, making them soft and supple. If you're liking this video so far, please press the like button and the bell sign to get notifications of our latest uploads. Vitamin E Night Eye Cream. Take half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a container. Add about 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil to it and mix it really well. Your eye cream is ready to use. You can make it as large quantity and store it. Take a little cream on your finger and apply it under your eyes. Massage it for 1 to 2 minutes under your eyes and on your lids, and leave it for overnight. You will see a big difference in your eyes. Applying vitamin E oil around the eyes is a great way to get rid of dark circles. It promotes healthy skin and reverses signs of aging. Vitamin E Face Mask. Take a teaspoon of honey in a bowl. Add 1 vitamin E capsule to it. Then, add a little aloe vera gel to it and mix them all very well. Your face mask is ready to use now. It is suitable for all skin types. Apply it with a brush to your entire face. Vitamin E makes the nerves stronger and helps in nourishing your skin from within. It increases the levels of the nutrients in the skin tissue. Vitamin E oil helps to regenerate new skin cells and lighten brown spots or scars found on the face. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash your face with water. You will see a glow on your skin after using this mask. You can use it 3 times a week. Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. Take a spray bottle and fill it with rose water. Add 1 vitamin E capsule to it and shake it well so that it becomes a homogeneous mixture. And there, your super hydrating toner is ready to use. Spray it on a clean and dry skin. You can use it as many times as you like. It helps prevent signs of aging. Vitamin E fights those effects by neutralizing the free radicals. It keeps skin hydrated and calm and moisturizes your skin. So these are some of the ways I use vitamin E oil for my skin. I hope you like my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!